In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch Microsoft account to a local account on Windows 11. This should be a quick process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Just go to the search menu, type in settings, and now the first result, go ahead, open that up. And after you open the settings, just go ahead to the left side where it says accounts. Now just go ahead, click on that. And after you do that, this page will pop up for you. Just go ahead, scroll down, and just click on other users. That's located at the bottom, as you can see now. Just click on it, and then you will see your local account if you have already made one. Or you can just go ahead, click on Add Account, just click on it. Now this window will pop up. Just go ahead, click I don't have this person sign in information. And after that, click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. And just write the name you want for this local account. For example, I'm going to name it Test. Now just click on Next after that. And your local account should be available right here. As you can see, it says Local Account. Now just go ahead, close this out. Just click on the search menu, as you can see, and then click on your profile. And click on the three dots, then just choose the local account you have made. So this was an easy process video. As always, thank you for watching.